Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you something. Tada! This is I'm gonna dress up. So this is the second, third, fourth, fifth. So let's continue. I'm gonna change makeup stickers. So hey guys, this is it. So we're gonna open it. Let's review it because I still didn't see this. This is kinda cool. Let's just skip it. This is our first. Okay. First is face. Excuse me. It's color pink. I'm gonna choose this. My mom is recording. Put that in my hand. Put that way. I just hit the jet. Nawala yung isa. Give me that eyes. There we go. Perfecto. The next is, don't forget about the body. The hands aren't there because I'm still gonna put the hands. Clothing time, clothing. Pink. I really love pink. Let me stand up. Wow, start in the top, start in the top. This is satisfying. Buy this in Shopee. It's only 26. It's... Oh my god, what happened to the hand? So don't bother that guys. It's okay. And don't bother this over here. Time for the shoes. So igaganyan ko lang. What is this? Is this Korea or something? I can see the jacket. I should suit this, but no. This. Where is this? I got it. That's it. Don't forget the hat. We're not going to the face. We're not going. Let's start by ribbon. Wait. Let's grab this all because it's pink. Only these two. Only these two. I'm gonna do next part, so better like and subscribe. I'm gonna put this over here. This is over here. And we are done. Look at our Princess Sophie.